Really good. Really delicious. Welcome back, my beautiful people. This is Dragon Knight here. Today I will be making a very delicious arroz con leche. And if you want to know how I make my recipe, now then please like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so okay. We will need approximately 1 cup of sugar. Okay, it's okay if you use 1.5 cups of sugar. Okay, it just depends how sugary you like your arroz con leche. Okay, but I will be using 1 cup of sugar and most likely 1.5 cups of sugar. Okay, I will be using. So you will use approximately 1 cup of sugar to 2 cups of sugar, depending how sugary you like your arroz con leche. You will need 2.5 ounces of vanilla extract. You will need evaporated milk. I will be using 3, but you can use 1 to 2, depending how creamy you like your arroz con leche. You will need cinnamon powder. You will need your cinnamon stick. The cinnamon powder is for garnishing purposes, and the cinnamon stick will be when we cook our rice and milk with it. We will use approximately 1 ounce of raisins. Okay, so here there's 6 ounces. We're just using 1 box. And it's for garnishing purposes also. Okay, so usually people don't put half and half because they already use evaporated milk and this gives it its creaminess. But I, being me, I love everything that is very creamy, and I will be adding 1/2 cup of half and half. So depending how you like your arroz con leche, if you like a very thick consistency or if you like it very liquidy, then you will be deciding whether you will add milk or not. Okay, I will most likely be adding around 1 to 2 cups of milk. Okay, and that is only for the purpose of me giving that balance that I am looking for in my arroz con leche, because I don't really like it too thick, but I don't like it too liquidy, so I like it when it's balanced. It's like in between the texture, the consistency. Okay, for the best moment of all that we've been waiting for, obviously we will be using rice. When it comes to the sugar, okay, it really just depends how sugary you like your food. Okay, I will be adding 1 cup of sugar, but I might also add another cup of sugar if I want it to be a little bit more sugary. Okay, on the sugary side. Okay, follow me, my beautiful people, and we will be making the most delicious arroz con leche that you will ever see in your life or taste. Okay, if you copy my recipe, I can guarantee you this recipe will be very delicious. Okay, it's like a dessert slash breakfast. Okay, and I'm one of those people that really likes to combine any dessert breakfast meals together, because for me personally, I have that sweet tooth and I really like combining dessert and breakfast meals together. Okay, one example could be like my crepe, right? I make it sort of like a breakfast dessert meal. Okay, this is what I'm doing in this case. People will tend to make arroz con leche in 2 types of ways. Okay, they'll make it warm and in a bowl, which could be given for breakfast, or they like to make it as a dessert type of meal, and that will be cold and very thick. Okay, I prefer the bowl that's warm, the meal that's warm. I prefer my arroz con leche eating it when it's warm and eating it as if it was like breakfast than a dessert. Okay, there are people that will make their arroz con leche into a dessert type of meal, okay, and they will put it in the refrigerator. I don't do that because I prefer my arroz con leche when it's warm, and I like to eat it as breakfast, okay? But some people will eat it for dessert, okay? And they will leave it in the refrigerator and it will get very, very thick, okay? And those tend to be a little bit more sweeter, okay? But mine is not necessarily that case, okay? Okay, so then let's get ready. Okay, right now I will be cooking my rice. For the purposes of trying to show my measurements, I will be putting rice in my cup and then I will be putting it in the pot, okay? That way you guys can really look at what I am doing. I'm not cooking my pot yet. My pot's not on yet, okay, because I don't want to cook my rice. Or I can turn it on now. Oh, but, well, and then, so we're going to use like a cup of rice. And then we will add another cup of rice. Okay. So there's nothing in here really, so it's just 2 cups of rice, okay? See? Okay, now I will turn it on. I will add water and my stick of cinnamon. I will add water and my stick of cinnamon. So you will be using approximately 1 gallon of water and you will be using your cinnamon stick. Okay. Oh, it smells so good. Oh. Make sure you cook your rice to high heat. So right now it's already, I'm heating it up. I'm going to cook the rice with approximately 1 gallon of water, my 1 cinnamon stick, and I added like approximately 15 drops of vanilla extract. Okay. Right now we're going to let the rice cook. Once it cooks, the rice is going to soften up. Then once the rice softens up, then we will be adding our evaporated milk, okay? We already added our stick of cinnamon, our vanilla extract, while it's cooking with water, okay? Once we add the evaporated milk, okay, we will also add the half and half. We will also add half and half. And then we will decide to see how much milk we want to add. We will be adding sugar in our pot while the rice is cooking with the cinnamon stick, okay? We already added the vanilla extract. In this case, I decided I will add 2 cups of sugar to my pot, okay? So we're going to add a total of just 2 cups of sugar. Okay, I already added it, okay? Meanwhile, we're going to stir the rice, okay? Because I added sugar in here, okay? Now we are going to let our rice cook for approximately 30 minutes, okay? The only problem with this situation is that you need to make sure that your rice doesn't burn, because the rice can burn. In this process, if the water evaporates too fast, then your rice can burn. Once the water starts to boil, I will stir the rice, okay? Just going to wait for approximately 5 to 10 minutes. You will need to wait for approximately 20 to 25 minutes to get the rice to soften up, so that way we can start adding our evaporated milk and our half and half. Test, see if it's soft. Okay, I would like to advise you that in this process, once you already add your evaporated milk to your rice, you must keep stirring your rice. If you don't stir your rice, you have a high possibility or high chance of burning your rice, okay? Even if you get distracted for 5 minutes, you can burn your rice, okay? It has happened to me before, where I get distracted for 5 minutes and then I come back and my rice is burned. You don't want to do that. Just first, you waste your time and you waste your rice, you waste your evaporated milk, and then you can get mad. Okay? Make sure you stir your rice after putting the evaporated milk, okay? And nothing can go wrong from there if you do that. Okay? Okay, so right now I'm just going to keep stirring my rice. So I'm gonna put it medium high, okay? 'Cause I am ready to eat this, okay? I'm going to be waiting like medium high. Once the milk starts boiling, then your arroz con leche is ready, okay? Okay, I let it cool down. Okay, I will be tasting my arroz con leche. Really good. Really delicious. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. Thank you.